Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable the built-in administrator account in Windows 10 using computer management. This method works for Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. Let's get started. First, right-click on This PC or My Computer on your desktop or in File Explorer. From the menu, select Manage. This will open the Computer Management window. Once the Computer Management window opens, look at the left panel. Click on Local Users and Groups, then select Users. In the Users section, you will see a list of accounts. Find the account named Administrator. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Administrator Properties window, locate the option that says Account is disabled. Uncheck this box, then click Apply and OK. For security reasons, it's a good idea to set a password. Right-click on the Administrator account again and select Set Password. Follow the instructions to enter and confirm a new password. Now you can log out of your current account and switch to the Administrator account. Simply go to the login screen and select Administrator to log in. That's it. You have successfully enabled the Administrator account in Windows 10 using computer management. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.